Stop by and take a look at the 2014 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.